This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming admin rights and finding the file path. This saves time. Open Terminal now and drag the file into the window to paste its path. Once done, make sure Homebrew and CorelDRAW are available because we'll use Touch and possibly GStat for metadata. If you prefer GUI tools, install a third-party app, but this guide uses Terminal for precision. You're performing the first actionable steps to directly modify timestamps, so keep Terminal visible and the file path ready. Now you'll run the core command and understand why it works. Use sudo to ensure you can modify protected files. Some need the UCH flag removed first. Then run touch with T followed by yimd dhmm. SS to set the modification and access times. To change creation date specifically, use the Mac OS set file or Apple script workaround because touch alone may not alter birth time. Once executed, verify changes with statx or get file info. This can finish by ensuring the new date persists and know what to do if it doesn't. Use set file D to set creation date explicitly when touch failed, and make sure you remove immutable flags with sudo chflags nauchk before retrying. Once done, rerun statx or get file info and refresh spotlight indexing with mdoodle e if Finder still shows the old date. Troubleshooting tip: if the creation date reverts, check time machine snapshots or backup software that may restore original metadata and disable them temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.